Introducing the Schaefer Defender WayCool, featuring needlepoint bipolar ionization technology. The air around us is filled with particles such as dust, dander, pollen, smoke, odors, and even pathogens including mold, viruses, and bacteria. The Schaefer Defender WayCool has changed indoor air quality, being the only portable ionizing air purification system for industrial and commercial applications, featuring a self-cleaning ion generator. It can be used either with the evaporative cooling function or without. Already installed in more than 250,000 applications, NPBI technology purifies the air by eliminating airborne particulates, pathogens, and odors, delivering safer air for everyone to breathe. Here's how it works. The Schaefer Defender WayCool produces a high concentration of positive and negative ions, delivering them into the air. Ions occur regularly in nature and are everywhere outdoors, working to constantly clean the air. Ions are created by energy from rushing water, crashing waves, and even sunlight. Within the airstream, ions attach to particles where they combine, become larger, and drop from the air. When ions come in contact with pathogens, they disrupt the pathogen's surface proteins, rendering them inactive. During this process, ions also break down chemicals and other odors into harmless compounds, leaving air smelling fresh and free of odor-causing VOCs. The Schaefer Defender WayCool is also certified to produce no ozone, is extremely quiet, can be used year-round, and is made by Schaefer, a U.S. manufacturer of over 70 years.